I'm audible?
Yes.
I'd request you to look at the slides that I've put up here just for 5 seconds. So I can say with surety that all of you are looking at different images right now. That is because all of you are connecting with different things right now, and that is just how we are. We have different empathies, we have different things that we care about, different things that we want to work towards. My question is, have you found out where your empathy lies? Have you found out what it is that moves you, and have you found out what is it that you want to do about it? What moves you? That's my question. So some of us here already have been on a journey where they discovered what is close to their heart, and they found out exactly how they want to make a difference. Some of us are still exploring and still on the journey where they want to find out what is it that makes them happy. And I'm here to be with you if you are on the latter side of it, because this is the club for you, and I would love to work with you through this year for you to understand what matters to you the most and why. So as I stand here for making a pitch about what is it that I want to plan for Net Impact Club going forward this year, I'm Neha Srivastava. I'm a physiotherapist by profession. I was trained in CMC Vellore. I work with people with long-term disabilities. We work to rehabilitate them so that they could attain their full potential, physically, mentally, emotionally, so they were ready to go back to the society after they had an accident or a disease that left them physically challenged, if you understand that clearly. So working there, I realized that this was not enough, because my kids would come out and tell me, I've learned this, I can do this, I can go around my wheelchair, but I'm not able to go back to school because the schools are not ready for them. My patients are not able to go back to their jobs because jobs are not ready to take people. All of them do not work at MNCs, they don't understand what equal opportunity employees are. So coming from there, where you work on your patients for 6 months, put energy into it, and then see that they're not going anywhere. They go back home, they are rotting in their beds, they are depressed, and they can't do anything about it, made me realize that I cannot make my peace with it. I quit practicing, which is very difficult for me, and I decided to take on a career where I could make a difference in what matters to me. But how does this matter to you? So this was where I found my empathy, and trust me, my life changed after that. When I realized that this is what I want to work in, every day has been happier. No, I have not been able to do everything I want to do, but the happiness that comes from doing the little bit that I've been able to do has changed me, and I want you to be with me in that journey of finding what matters to you and getting there. So that happiness that I've found from this, I want all of you to find your heart and find ways to be able to work. I'm not asking you to build a career in it. I'm not asking you to give all your time in it, all your money in it. But there are ways. Speak about it, talk to people, connect, listen, work with, spend time. There are 100 ways that we can do this. So this is how I see it right now. This is how the world sees it right now. Social impact and business. And there's a thin overlap of CSR, charity, donations, and these projects, you know that. So that is where it is, and this is where I want to take it through the Net Impact Club, because ISB is the best ground going forward. We are the most sensitive individuals who've chosen to take up business as a choice after many years of working, and we have the potential to make this happen, where social impact becomes the heart of everything that business does, and both benefit with each other. How do I plan to do it? For people who know they want to make a career in it, I plan to get more firms to recruit this year, get better pro bono projects, more number of diverse challenges that you can work with, find an alum in your sector, connect with him, learn from him or her, on CSR partnerships. If you don't want to take on a full-time career, that's all right. Learn about how CSR can get together to do this. And if you don't want to do even that, if you just want to spend time with the community, please join with us. Be a volunteer. There will be n number of opportunities in different sectors. You can work with children, old age people, people who are sick, people who are disabled. You can choose what you want to volunteer with, and you can be a part of this. We would want to work on Gulla, a fund that is dying. Scholarship funds are going to stop. We want to revive that, get that back, and we want to assess the impact that we are going to generate this year, because that's the only way we can go forward. How do I think I can do this? 3 years of working and 5 years of studying, I have been involved only with social sector organizations. I have the leverage of being the healthcare sector, child rights, education, women empowerment, grassroots organizations, self-help groups, NGOs, and international organizations that you can see. I want to bring all of that together to make ISB and the Net Impact Club the best in Asia. We were the first in Asia, by the way, So we want to be the best. We are Gold Chapter, but that's not enough. We want to set standards so that Gold Chapter has to revise what standards are for them. And I want to take ISB and Pro Bono and Net Impact there. So I would want all of you to motivate one person to be a part of this club, come for the initiatives, work together with us and take us where I want this to be. So that's beautiful.